Hello everyone, this is YouTubeBUDDY. In this video, we are going to discuss about the string concatenation process, which is recommended and applicable in TypeScript, that is known as template string. This template string concept is recommended when you have multiple lines and embedded expressions. We'll take an example here. We have created another string variable named template string. For this, you observe the syntax. We need to put two backticks first. Backtick is something which you can find just below the escape key on your keyboard. Inside the two backticks, we need to put our predefined strings with this particular syntax, $, and within curly braces, we need to put the string variable name. The same thing has been applied here as well. This is the embedded expressions you have. So in this case, this will take the value of greetings and name variable from here. The value of this variable template string will be exactly in the same format as we have declared it with multiple lines and embedded expressions. Observe carefully. In this example, you have total 5 lines. The first line, it will come hello everyone and then comma, and after that in 3 lines we'll get only these 3 dots, and after that in the 5th line we'll get welcome to YouTubeBUDDY. Now we'll print this template string variable in our console. After compilation and execution, you can see we got our expected output in the integrated terminal. This is the concept of template string. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Take care.